This is Scotty. He's a freelancer and a really good one. He gets to work on big branding projects when he collaborates with agencies. On his own, he gets to work on smaller projects, but cool and meaningful ones. He's living the life, like actually. He's a surfer, and he makes cool stuff like this in his downtime. But what if Scotty wants to go after a big project directly with a brand? He's seen how it's done, and he knows how much they're sold for. He's always known he could do it. He just didn't have a good way to position himself, or an easy way to quickly scale up a team. But now he does, with jaunt boards. Whether he leads with his own process or uses one that he's bought from an agency, jaunt boards immediately make Scotty look like a more trusted professional. He can use jaunt boards to easily define the scope of work, turn it into a project with a click of a button, collaborate with other 1099s, and even allow the client to see the most important information at any time. Where have we been? Where are we now? Where are we going? And where can I find all my stuff? When the project's done, Scotty doesn't have to waste time organizing and delivering files. He sends a single link, and then watch this. He turns the completed project into an interactive case study that built itself. Now, his portfolio is always up to date and showcases all that he can do, not just the design part. With one single project, Scotty just made $50,000 instead of $5,000. And Scotty can even use jaunt boards to launch his own branding agency. That's the power of jaunt boards. Get started today for free.